Instead of Cupid's shot, 580 Durango 9R staff and faculty received their first round of the COVID-19 vaccine as an early Valentine's Day present. You're watching the Local News Network, brought to you by Whole Health Family Medicine and Craigers Ace Hardware. I'm Wendy Settle. Durango School District 9R took an important step toward reopening classes to in-person learning full-time with a vaccination clinic for teachers and staff on February 13th. Durango 9R staff were included in the third phase of vaccinations for frontline and essential workers. Sign-up sheets went out the week of February 8th for the two clinics, one at Escalante Middle School and the other at Durango High School. Mercy Regional Medical Center vaccinated child care workers. Nearly 600 faculty and staff received their first vaccine at clinics organized by San Juan Basin Public Health and Albertsons.
So earlier this month, the governor of Colorado, Governor Jared Polis, asked that educators get worked in right here in the first couple of weeks of February. So beginning February 8th, we had access to doses as San Juan Basin Public Health. We worked with providers in the community to ensure that we got as many doses to the community as possible, and we started scheduling with the different providers and with all of the P through 12 educators, school staff, and licensed childcare appointments around the county beginning today, Saturday.
Superintendent Dan Snowberger, who assisted at the Escalante Clinic, estimated that 70% of the staff would receive their first round of the vaccine between the two clinics, with 328 staff and faculty signed up at Escalante and 168 signed up at DHS.
Educators are our frontline employees, and just like medical workers, they're in a classroom with a large number of children and a large number of in some cases, adolescents who are equally as at risk of spreading and catching and contributing the virus.
So because we had this great community effort of providers coming together with all of the schools and coming together with the additional schools and the child care in the community and starting it this week, we really believe that by the beginning of March, almost 100% of our K through 12, our preschool, and our licensed child care staff, teachers, and other workers will all have had access to a full set of vaccines. So this means that most of our educators will be done by the beginning of March. This is really great news from a public health perspective. We just couldn't be more thrilled to have teachers able to be in the classroom safely and get as many kids as possible back for in-person learning, because we know how important that is to families and to the community and to all of us.
Those who receive their vaccines on Saturday will get the second Pfizer vaccine on March 13th. Thanks for watching this edition of the Local News Network. I'm Wendy